do it.
You got a Bruno in your head. Don't listen to stupid Bruno. Silenzio Bruno.
Silenzio Bruno.
Louder. Silenzio Bruno.
Silenzio Bruno.
Can you still hear him?
Nope, just you.
Good. Now hang on.
Okay, hello everyone. Brendan Fallon here with SkunkBurger. So I made this really cool animation off the new Luca movie with Bruno saying,
I can't do it.
You got a Bruno in your head. Don't listen to stupid Bruno. Silenzio Bruno.
Silenzio Bruno.
Louder. Silenzio Bruno.
Silenzio Bruno.
Can you still hear him?
Nope, just you.
Good. Now hang on.
so I did this by making my character here, where if you're familiar with it, you know what a bone layer is, but I have a bone layer that honestly is a lot of animation that went into it, but I have all these different layers, and I'll go to the very end so I don't break my video here, and I'll show you what each kind of does. So I have like the eye direction where I can make his eyes go. He can blink. Okay. His mouth can get wider. Left or right, you can move it around. I have the eyebrows rigged up. His mouth can move. I have the top lip. We can like open it up to position the mouth movements. I have his teeth on a separate layer, and down here I put the tongue so it was easier to access. You don't have to do too much with it, but and then I can tilt his head left to right, and I can show you kind of what it looks like. I don't ever tilt it this much because it does weird things, but it does enough where you can move it left and right. I think I had a rule where I didn't move it past this point. Yeah, so you can see it shifts it over some. And then you can look up, down, and that obviously works with left to right, so that's pretty cool. So these are called smart bones. I had to go in and make those, and then you can make his head larger or smaller. Yep. And yeah, I guess that's all it really took to make this guy. It was way more work though than I originally thought. I also put some more effort into making his shirt look more realistic. In my original one, if I render this out, you can see he looks pretty great compared to, here I'll show you what the original was that I used as a reference for this. Yeah, so here goes the Pixar 3D using some fancy stuff, animation, and here goes my Luca. So also, I guess I have to render it in order for you to really see. So mine doesn't, if you don't render it, so this means render it, render 4. If you don't render it, it has these gradients that it doesn't display that kind of gives it more life. Without it, it just, you know, it's just this flat color. But yeah, either way, it's pretty fun. Yeah, if you have any questions, if you want to know how I made it more, I have a very long video that I'm of just the first part of creating it that I'm debating about posting. And as far as the rigging, it took me so long to rig and so long to animate that I figured no one in their right mind would want to watch that because it's so boring and tedious, even if I sped it up. So I probably won't post that unless someone actually wants it. But this is really fun to make. I know other people have been making a lot of cool 3D-esque 2.5D stuff with Moho Pro, and so I wanted to make something fun that I could be proud of. And I think overall, I mean, it's definitely not 3D like these characters are, but it's a fun 2.5D in between. And it's good enough for just this little short I made with it. So again,
I can't do it.
You got a Bruno in your head. Don't listen to stupid Bruno. Silenzio Bruno.
Silenzio Bruno.
Louder. Silenzio Bruno.
Silenzio Bruno.
Can you still hear him?
Nope, just you.
Good. Now hang on.
so again, it was fun. I think I'll probably stick to straight 2D stuff from now on. But if I ever want to make something really pretty like this again, I definitely think it was worth the adventure of getting here. So, okay, everyone, thanks for watching.